welcome back to Just Fashion 101. Today, as you can see, I have a very different fun tutorial for you guys. So in this video, you will learn how to get this crazy rainbow eyeshadow. I wanted to do something crazy because I usually play it very safe with my makeup. I feel like I have so much makeup and I love seeing like trending makeup and like crazy makeup on like Pinterest, Instagram, like YouTube and everything. So I wanted to give this a shot. And I've actually had this little Smashbox palette for quite some time. Unfortunately, it's discontinued, I believe, but it literally lays it out for you. It's like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and I saw this and I was like, wow, this is like super simple, and I wanted to recreate it. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please keep watching if you guys want to know how to get this crazy fun look. Alright, so first step would be to prime your face. So I'm using the Makeup Forever primer. This is the yellow one, the one that kind of brightens your face a little bit better. And I'm going to be using this awesome Smashbox palette, which, like I said, I believe it's discontinued, but you can use any other palette that has these particular colors in them. And this one was really easy because it had the whole rainbow kind of laid out for you, so I knew it was like red, orange, yellow, and then on the other eye, as you could see, I plopped in the purple on the outside, then the blue, and then the green. And I just kind of blended it out, plopped the colors in, and blended some more. Once I felt like the colors were on correctly, I went in with my NYX eyeliner and just did a super cat eye. And just remember, if cat eyes aren't your forte, they're sisters, not twins. I love foundation. I'm mixing the MAC Studio Fix foundation and the Makeup Forever foundation together, and I'm using this super gnarly brush to smooth it out and just make sure there's no rough lines. Then I went in with my Nars Creamy Concealer, 2 shades, Custard and Ginger, underneath my eyes, and some highlighting points like my nose, a little bit of my forehead, and then a little bit on my chin. Once I had the concealer in place, I used this really small brush from Real Techniques to kind of buff everything out and smooth it out a little bit better before I went in with powder. After that, I went in with my Laura Mercier powder in all the areas where I concealed. Since I just concealed underneath my eyes, I go ahead and extend the eyeshadow underneath my lash line on the corners and everywhere underneath with the same colors I use on the top eyelids to match. Now I'm curling my eyelashes to prep my eyelashes for some fake eyelashes, and I'm using the Ardell Double Up lashes with the Duo Glue, and I'm using a little eyebrow plucker to put them in place. Now I want to do a little bit of bronzing, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Laura Mercier bronzer with the Real Techniques brush and just warm up the face all around. Then to seal everything in, I use the Studio Fix powder and then add in a little bit of the Becca Cosmetics blush, and to top it all off, some mascara. This is my favorite mascara, the Clinique Doubling Mascara. And I go back into the Becca little duo that I have and popped on some Champagne Pop on the highest point on my eyebrow, and then I added a little bit on my brow. And then lastly, this is a really like blue purple tone lipstick. It's Gunnar. It's discontinued, but this is a whole look put together, and there should be a NYX dupe for the lip.
All the things I resisted, now far from gone.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had so much fun recreating this look and making it my own. Please give me a thumbs up if you loved it and you want to see more makeup tutorials. Click the down button if you guys absolutely hated it, and let me know what other types of videos you guys would like to see instead of makeup tutorials. As always, all my social media is listed down below. I will be hosting an Instagram giveaway, so please go check that out. It'll be coming up in the next couple of days, if not in the next week. But stay tuned, please follow, and go check out the rules when that comes out. It's going to be a pretty sweet giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I love you guys, and toodles. Hi, welcome back to Just Fashion 101. So today I want to show you guys how I take care of my balayage and try to keep it very bright and not brassy. I know nowadays the biggest trend in hair is keeping that balayage or lightening your hair and kind of creating that gradient in your hair, and the biggest question and the biggest thing from going from dark to blonde or any lighter color is keeping the brassiness at bay. And trust me, I barely started doing this, I would say within the last like year.